Thunderbolt 5 delivers 80 gigabits per second of bidirectional bandwidth, and with bandwidth boost, it provides up to 120 gigabits per second for enhanced display performance. Supports Thunderbolt 3 or 4 full duplex high-speed transmission. Supports USB 4, Gen 2, 3, 4, and USB 3.2, Gen 1, Gen 2. Full duplex high-speed transmission and maximum power delivery, up to 48 volt, 5 ampere. Supports DP 2.1, 4-lane DisplayPort video signal transmission, and supports PCI Express. Passive cable length, 30 centimeters, 50 centimeters, 80 centimeters, 1 meter, and active cable length, 2 meters.